Hi, I am Hanumant. In last video, we saw that what is the definition of the group. In this video, I want to explain some example on the group. So now I am taking here Q star is a one set. What is Q star? Set of all non-zero rational numbers with respect to this binary operation. This is a group or not? I want to check now. So what is binary operation here? Circle. I am defining a circle B is equal to A by AB by 3. Okay, AB by 3. Okay, so now I am checking closure property for all A comma B belongs to G such that A circle B is equal to what? AB by 3. Okay, so this is what sum C belongs to G. Okay, this is satisfy the closure property. Now I want to check associative property. What is associative property? Take any three elements belongs to G. Here what is G? Q star. Okay, here what is G? Q star. So such that A circle B circle C is equal to A circle B circle C. This equality is satisfied, then we say that this set is satisfy associative property with respect to this binary operation. Now we will check. So A circle B, how we can write? AB by 3 circle C equal to A circle, how we can write this one? BC by 3. Okay, from this we can write this one. So AB by 3 into C by 3. From this one, A into BC by 3 by 3. So from this one, ABC by 9, ABC by 9. So this is satisfy the what? Associative property. Well, next, identity property. What is identity property? And so what is identity property? A circle E is equal to E circle A is equal to A. So left identity, right identity is equal, and we do operation with this, we get same element, right? So that is identity element. Now I want to find what is identity element in this set. Okay, so A circle E is equal to A. What is A circle E? AE by 3 is equal to A. From this I got E is equal to 3. Similarly this one, so I got from this E is equal to 3. Now I want to find what is the inverse element. So here I am taking A is the element in Q star. So I want to find what is the inverse of A. Now I am taking here B is the inverse of A. So this is the inverse property. From the definition, AB by 3 is equal to, here what is identity element? 3. From this B is equal to 9 by A. So every element, so this satisfy this four properties. So this set is a group with respect to this binary operation. So why I am taking here Q star? Okay, here if I take 0, belongs to why I am take here Q star? If I take Q, so 0 is belongs to where? Q. But if I am take A is equal to 0, but here A is equal to 0, inverse is does not exist. Okay, so inverse is does not exist. That's why I am taking set of all non-zero rational number. You take any element, we take any element. Now we can find the inverse of every element. And second example is ZQCR, integer set, rational number set, complex number set, real number set. With respect to addition, these four sets are grouped with identity element 0, and inverse of every element is negative of that element. So you check once, with respect to addition, these four sets are grouped. So I am taking now natural number set. With respect to multiplication is not a group. Why? Because I am take any element belongs to natural number set, inverse of that element is 1 by a. This is what a rational number set, but rational number set does not belong to a natural number set, so this is not satisfy the inverse property. Okay, this is not satisfy the inverse property. That's why with respect to multiplication, natural number set is not a group. Okay, now I am taking addition. With respect to addition, natural number set is not a group. Why? Because identity element what with respect to addition 0, but 0 is does not belong to a natural number set, so that's why natural number set is a not a group with respect to addition and with respect to multiplication. So now I want to define what is a abelian group. Okay, so here I am taking G circle be a group. So G is said to be a abelian group if this group satisfy this condition: A circle B is equal to B circle A for every element. Okay, for all A comma B belongs to G. So like any set said to be a abelian group, that set satisfies this condition, then we say that G is a abelian group. For example, in first I'm explaining first one. So Q star is a non-zero rational number set. Okay, so with respect to this binary operation, Q star is a abelian group. So any sets it is abelian or not, we have to check this condition. Now I am checking this condition. A circle B is equal to B circle A. So A circle B is equal to what? AB by 3. So B circle A is what? B A by 3. So these two are equal. So this group is satisfied this condition. So this is a abelian group. Thank you.